Here's a 2016 Nissan Frontier SV. One owner vehicle. Now it does have a deer damage accident on here. If you're from this area, you'll realize deer damage is kind of a common thing out here in the country. It was minor. Everything's been repaired professionally. It looks great. I think 11,000 miles. One owner vehicle. So really a nice vehicle. Another nice thing about this SV, if you've been out looking for these vehicles on the web, you'll notice there's a big difference in equipment levels of SVs. There are rental unit SVs out there which don't give you the integrated fogs, which you can see this one has, and a lot of other options as well. I'm going to kind of point out as we walk around, but this one does have the fog lights in the lower bumper fascia, your halogen headlamps there, also your classic Nissan styling with your bright chrome grille. Continue around to the side, it's got the split spoke alloy wheel here, tires about half tread, probably about 6, 7, 30 seconds. Also has a nice brand new rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Now another difference that this SV gives you over your standard issue SV, it does have the factory side steps here in black. Also you can see cloth covered 2 bucket seats, full console with an automatic floor shifter in between. But otherwise light gray on light gray dash and carpet seat area, kind of door panel, everything's kind of grayish in the interior of this truck. Now this is the crew cab, so it does have the full 4 doors, and you can see very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there as well. And then also want to show you here the matching tires, about the same tread as the others. And you can see a nice shiny resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad there as well. Also has the factory splash guards all the way around, so it's very well accessorized. As we continue around to the back, you can see the SV and the 4-wheel drive badging. Does have a factory backup camera, another thing the rentals are typically missing. Class 3 tow hitch, which is nice with integrated wiring. Also has your ultrasound bumper sensors. So you shouldn't back into anything with this. Does have your factory spray-in liner with the bed extender and the cargo rail organization system. So there's another nice feature, having that bed extender, especially on a small truck with a shorter bed. Gives you the ability to really haul more cargo there. Continue around to the other side again, just matching tires, about the same depth, no scuffs or scrapes on the wheel. Also like to show you no oxidation on that frame rail. Continue around here to the back. Again, just giving you, sorry for the box, a little Nissan box there, but you can just see very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. And then we'll just take a peek in the front. Manual adjustment on the front driver and passenger seat area. Also want to show you the key here. Do have integrated key fob, 2 sets of keys there. Let's continue the tour. You got your windows and your locks. Power mirrors are there, as well as your downhill descent control and the ability to turn on your cargo light. Let's continue the tour here and start it up. Extremely low miles for a 16, only 11,000 miles. Also want to show you that Carfax, as I touched on at the beginning of the video, does have a show and accident for the deer damage, one owner. Let's go ahead and pop that open here just so you can see full disclosure. But like I say, it was minor and professionally repaired. You can see right front impact with an animal. Minor damage reported. Excuse me. 11,217 miles. Let's continue to tour. Your headlamp controls are over here. High beams and turn signals as well. Intermittent wiper washers on the right. Your Bluetooth and audio controls to the left of the wheel. Cruise to the right. Standard issue AM FM satellite radio. Got your dual climate control here. Electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. This has heated seats. Another thing that your SVs don't get is the ability to turn off those parking sensors, turn off your traction control system, your 4-wheel drive hazards. Automatic shifter, ability to lock it out of overdrive. Pull handle for emergency brake. 2 large cup holders. And then here we got USB, audio pre-in, 12-volt power supply. Also have 2 more 12 volts over here on the right, so able to stay connected. As you can see, the upgraded rear view with your integrated compass and temperature, auto dim on your lighting. Really well equipped SV here. Let's go ahead and pop the hood just so you can see the engine. Then we'll get into the last part of the video. See, this does have the 4.0 liter V6 engine. Tried and true from Nissan. Very clean. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the electrical terminals. Everything very good condition. Obviously only 11,000 miles, that's what you would expect, but not always what you get. Finally, we'll get into the last portion of this video now. Explain to you the mechanical evaluation in the glove box, showed you a copy of the auto history report on the dash. Last part of making an informed buying decision is the cosmetic appearance, which we only keep the cleanest of trades. We only buy the cleanest of vehicles, either from off lease from the manufacturer or from large fleet companies. So usually this part of the video goes pretty quick. A little bit of dirt is tricking me into thinking it's a chip, but as I look down that driver's side there, it looks really good. Also, the tailgate areas are always a place you can tell the condition of a truck. Usually if they have damage, the rear bumper or tailgate areas is where you'll see it, or on the bed sides from people moving things in and out of the cargo box. As you can see as I walk around, this one's in excellent shape. Haven't really even found many dings, scrapes, chips, or dents. A little minor little chips across the front, but all in all, guys, this is a like new alternative right here. Save thousands over new, extremely well equipped for an SV trim. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Oh, before I get into that, I do want to say there is the remaining comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable from Nissan to the next owner, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. Now, if you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us, look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com, or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.